podcast. This is Mark Costello, and today we will be discussing the difference between grills, registers, and diffusers. Grills, registers, and diffusers are terms that are often used interchangeably, and there are similarities between them as well as differences in performance, application, and terminology. Dampers are used on both grills and diffusers. A grill with a damper is called a register. In this context, register implies the ability to adjust the airflow through the grill. And while dampers are used just as frequently with diffusers as they are with grills, there is no special name for them. A diffuser with a damper is simply called a diffuser with a damper. Generally speaking, the inlet and outlet areas of a grill are about the same. This results in low pressure drop and efficient use of the space the grill consumes. The free area of a grill is the duct area minus the area blocked by the grill blades, usually 80 to 90% of the total duct area. The direction of airflow through a grill is relatively unchanged. The blades in a zero deflection setting serve to straighten the air pattern. Adjustable supply grills do have the capability of deflecting the air 20 to 30 degrees in a vertical or horizontal direction. Diffusers, unlike grills, have a size and shape of inlet and outlet areas that are generally unequal. The inlet of a diffuser is usually round to correspond with a sealing duct, while the outlet area may be slots or louvers. Unlike grills, the direction of airflow through a diffuser is usually turned at 90 degrees in order to blow a horizontal air pattern across the ceiling. Grills are used for both supply and return purposes. As return devices, the grill is often mounted in a ceiling, although it can also be found in sidewalls, and some grills have the ability to hold an air filter. When mounted in a ceiling, the grill will provide an exit for warm air stratified at the ceiling as supply air pressurizes the space. When the grill is not connected to an air handling device, the return air is exhausted into the plenum space above the ceiling. To recapture warm air and returns, the grill is ducted back to the air handling device. As a supply device, grills are mounted in high sidewalls in order to throw across the ceiling, or in a baseboard or sill location to throw an air pattern on an exterior window to treat the load. High sidewall mounting of a grill is intended to take advantage of the proximity of the ceiling to enhance throw distance, while perimeter floor or sill mounting will use the perimeter surface for the same throw-enhancing coanda effect. Like supply grills, the diffuser's purpose is to spread the air across the unoccupied area adjacent to the ceiling surface to create induction of rising warm room air into the cool supply air jets and mix the two prior to the conditioned air stratifying in the occupied zone. Diffusers, like grills, can be used for both supply and return purposes, but are primarily designed to supply air. For supply applications, diffusers are mounted in the ceiling or in overhead exposed ducts. Certain diffusers require a ceiling to function properly. Be sure to check for this performance criteria when considering an exposed duct-mounted diffuser. We hope that you found this information informative. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.